Another weekend, another bushwalk. Can you guess where we are? This is Noosa. As always, it's always difficult to find a park here. And we've ended up on some random street and we're taking this bushwalk to get to the fairy pools, possibly. I don't have much battery left, so I'm not sure how much I can film. In this scene, I was trying to show you how busy it was without filming people. The pathway to get there is very nice. It flows with nature. Unfortunately, the ambience is ruined by a foreign animal that runs on dinosaur juices. There are a bunch of nice lookouts along the way, and right here, I think it's about 15% of the way there. I think Noosa is becoming more popular, which makes it more difficult to find parking, unfortunately. If you're heading to the rock pools and you end up in this area here, you've gone the wrong way. I think this is just a lookout. After walking past some trees, it opens up and gives you a really great view. Welcome to the entrance of the fairy pools. On this particular day, I think it was high tide and it was also quite windy. So I think it's good to show what these idyllic places look like when they're not so idyllic.